So one of my favorite things about working on this mountain is imagining, well, how about this? Imagine yourself as a pioneer who's trying to get to California back in the 1800s, and you're in a covered wagon and you've just gone across 1,000 so plus miles of flat, beautiful Kansas prairie, and you think, my God, this is perfect. We're just gonna be in California in no time. And then all of a sudden you go, well, bless my beaver pelts, what is that? And you point to this massive mountain that shows up on the horizon. My God, there is a mountain range in between you and where you wanna get. And that is Pikes Peak. It's such an incredible, just, hey, I'm in Colorado, that perfect vision, that massive mountain sticking up. And what's amazing is that it wasn't actually formed until about maybe 3 million years ago properly, but the granite that forms Pikes Peak is over 1 billion years old. So 1 billion years ago, it's called a batholith. This magma pushed up a bunch of rock from under the Earth's crust, and it cooled very slowly, creating this very tough granite that now forms Pikes Peak. But only 3 million years ago was when it started to erode and use the water that pushed everything away, created this massive mountain. And so it actually, geologically, hasn't been here that long, but it's such a, hey, I'm in the front range, look at this thing, that it's hard to not imagine it being always in the way and just always being there. But that's the coolest thing about living here in Colorado, is you get to see nature occurring in front of you. It's just bam, 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 bam. Here, look, there's a jaggedy rock here and a sideways rock here, and you can trace back through each layer which pieces were made at what time. And that's I think the most beautiful part of being up here.